Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rachelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all my latest order from ESTELLE. You get this card, this thank you card in every planner or every order. So on the front here just says the name, thank you, and then it just gives you Dear Organized Dreamer, care tips, and then how to contact them. Okay, so looks like this is a freebie. And then, is this a freebie? Y'all, I don't remember what I ordered. Like I said, this has just been piling up. I don't remember what I ordered, but this is a freebie. Oh, and then these are some skinny tab stickers in the color white. And you guys will see what I do with those when I get ready to set up my planners. So I'm going to put these back in here so that way I don't lose these, okay? And let's move this out of the way. All right, let's open this up. Y'all, I'm so excited to show y'all what I got. Like I said, everything that I'm going to show y'all, I've had it for a minute, a good minute. So this is my ESTELLE planner. Y'all, can y'all see it has that Tomoe river paper? Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's see if we can get this opened without tearing my nail. Okay. So here we are, y'all. This is the ESTELLE and Annie Plans. What is this? The weeks? 2023 classic weeks. And these came in two different volumes. Volume 1, which is December through June. And then volume 2 is July through to December. So both of these are undated. So you could essentially start them. Oh, no, I'm sorry. These are dated. It started in December. What am I talking about? These are undated. So let's go ahead and look through this really quickly. So this is the first time, well, this is the first weeks that I've ordered from ESTELLE and Annie Plans. Long time ago, I think it was back in 2019, I had the Hobonichi weeks, but y'all, I did not use it. I had it, so I'm not even gonna count that. Okay, so then you get this insert here that tells you how you can use the pages. So we're going to look at this also while we look at the planner. So this is a weekly. It is the 2023 Dated Classic Notebook Weeks. And you get 1 day per page. So, and this is a bound notebook or planner. So you've got the blank pages here. I've seen a lot of people, you can put stickers on here. You can put washi tape on here, however, decorate it however you want to, whatever your heart's desire. And I've also seen people that don't put anything on here. I probably will put something here, but what, I don't know just yet. Okay, and then so here is where it just says the first page here where it just tells you the classic weeks, volume 1, December through to January. Okay, and then this is the year at a glance. So you've got October, November, December of 2022, and then you've got January through December of 2023, and then you have future dates, January through March of 2024. And this paper feels pretty good, y'all. I don't remember how the Hobonichi Weeks paper felt, but I'm thinking that this is similar. Okay, so, all right, so then you have some notes pages here. Do what you will here. And then you get into December. So this is your December monthly pages, and then it has 2022 here at the bottom. So since this is the 12th month, it has 12 here, and then Sunday through Saturday monthly. So week 48. So you've got this week here, and then you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so then you have here at the bottom Saturday and Sunday. So they call these parallel weekend boxes for connected weekend plans. So remember I said you get 1 day per page. So this is the weekly layout for a complete overview of your week. And then this is the daily 1 day per page. Okay, so here's the top bar. So the top bar here fits 15mm standard washi tapes and date covers in most sticker kits. And then here is the monthly tab. So this says 11. Okay, so this says November starts. The full week for November starts at Monday. So this is a Monday weekly start, November the 28th. And then you've got free full page grid here to fit any of your planning styles. So you can do it however you want to. The grid here is 0.15 inches. So it will align with any of your 1.5 inch stickers. So each box here, you could do like they have here today, and then whatever time your day starts, you can number the boxes here. However big you want, however much space you want, just skip the lines or skip the grid boxes to incorporate or make sure you have that much space. Then here at the top, you can make check boxes for like your top 3, your most important, your priorities for the day. You can put that there, and then you can put today here, and then write out your day, your day's tasks by hours. Okay, and then so you get each day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then you're back to the weekly overview page. Okay, so let's see here. Let me go back to the monthly page here. So this is a very minimalistic design here. You have vertical and horizontal free space. So vertical free space here, horizontal free space here. You can put legends, notes, you can do lists. If you want to do calligraphy, practice your hand lettering, you have space here to do so. Again, you can put a to-do list over here in the sidebar. So whatever you have to do or whatever is important for the month of December, you can put it here in the side. You do have to write small because this is a week size, so it's portable and small enough, you know, to take along with you. Put in your purse, put in your backpack, whatever you want to do. But y'all, I will come back and do a setup video on my planners here. On both, well, I was gonna say on both of them, but probably just one, because I'm gonna put this back in the box and put it back on the shelf since this doesn't start until July. But I'll come back and we can set this up together. But I love this. From the looks of it, I think I'm gonna like it. I really, really do. I really do. And so, but yeah. Okay, so these are my weeks. Okay. Then also what I got in my order for my weeks is this planner cover here. It also came with some strings. So I think this was called, the color is Birthday Sprinkles. So y'all, look at this. This is the inside. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots here. You get 1 slot here at the bottom. You got a secretarial flap here. And then you've got a flap here. And then you've got a pocket right here. These are, what do you call this? Adjustable closure here. So as your planner grows, you can adjust this strap here. And then I like these here. These, what are these called? Bookmarks. So you can, you know, mark your place in your planner, so to speak. Oh, and I forgot you got you have a pocket here. You can put things in your pocket here if you want to. But let's see here. So you also have this. So if you did not purchase the weeks and you have like just you have traveler's notebooks, then you could put these or this in here. I don't know how to do that. I'm pretty sure that there are several YouTube videos on how to construct and make yourself a traveler's notebook, but we don't have that going on here, so I'm not going to mess with that. But this did come with the purchase. I did not order this separately. It just came with my order. Okay, so that is the planner cover. And y'all, my next item out of this order is this here. All right, and this is, I think this is A5 size. Y'all, I don't have a packing slip or nothing. I can't remember. Like I told you, I ordered this months ago. What color is this? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what color this is, but I absolutely love it. Love this color here. It's so neutral. But you know what? I got this as an oops. And I really can't tell you. So I think it was like $10 less than what they normally are. And I think the oops on this is possibly here, where it's like not straight down. I don't know. But y'all, I was like, as an oops, yeah, I'll take it. But I'm thinking about getting a Hobonichi Weeks, or not a Hobonichi Weeks, Hobonichi Cousin. If I do, that will go in here. And I just like the color of this planner cover here. So you got some pocket slots here, card pockets here. So you got 1, 2, 3 card slots here, and then for your credit cards, and then you have a pocket here and a pocket here to decorate these. If you don't want to put credit cards or gift cards here, you can decorate these pockets also. Then you also have here a secretarial pocket here. Then you have another pocket here. This could be, well, you can decorate this also, or you can just put the back of the planner over here and just leave that front cover open. So then you have a secretarial flap here, and then another pocket here. This one also comes with the adjustable straps, and then you have 2 pen loops here as well. You've got the ESTELLE logo here, and then here at the bottom you have a place here to attach a planner charm. You also have the ribbon placeholders also. But y'all, I like this. Like I said, I don't know. Oh, and then you have this front pocket here as well. I don't know where the oops is, but I bought it. I was like, you know what? I'll buy it if it's not too bad of an oops. And y'all, I don't see it. It looks perfectly fine to me. So y'all, that is everything for this haul. I got my 2023 classic weeks dated December through June 2023, and then July through December of 2023. I got my birthday sprinkles weeks planner cover. We got some monthly tabs here, and then I got my A5 planner cover also. And y'all, that is everything for this ESTELLE Anti-Plans haul. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rachelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.